Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, I will introduce you to Qlik Data Products for Analytics. Qlik Data Products for Analytics is how you turn raw data into something people can actually trust and reuse. It's built right into Qlik Cloud Analytics and is designed for analytics teams, data producers, and even AI initiatives. Instead of everyone rebuilding datasets over and over, teams can publish curated, governed, analytics-ready data products that include business context, quality checks, and our patented Qlik Trust Score. People discover them in a marketplace, plug them straight into dashboards or AI workflows, and move fast with confidence. The big value? Less duplication, lower cost, faster app development, and insights you can actually trust. To get started with Qlik Data Products, visit qlik.com for more information and view our other companion videos. And that is your SaaS in 60. For more in 60, please visit the SaaS in 60 playlist in the Qlik YouTube channel. And don't forget to see how much more you can do with Qlik by checking out the Do More with Qlik Tips and Tricks Edition playlist.